Have you ever seen a sale and wished that you had the money to buy something now at a cheaper price? Or have you borrowed or lent money to somebody and receive interest when they pay you back? Things like these happen in the streets of Jamaica every day and prove the very financial principle that we are going to talk about today without even recognizing it. Money has a time value, and a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow. Subscribe, like, and comment as we help you to become a student of wealth. The value of money can be affected by many factors and everything under the sun. But today our reasons are primarily based on time and the reason money loses value over time or why it is more valuable to you now. These reasons are linked to things such as inflation, interest, and missed opportunities. Now we're always hearing about this scary thing called inflation that is gonna take all our money and make our feet dumpling and butter and out earth around red and a bag of things. Simply put, inflation is the increasing in prices and the fall in purchasing power. Purchasing power is how much you can purchase with whatever currency you're using. For example, you could buy more with 100 USD than 100 JMD. Prices rise for many reasons, such as scarcity, not having enough, so they raise prices, manipulation. Some industries willingly destroy stocks just to create scarcity to raise prices. And last but not least, war or unforeseen events. Now that you understand inflation, picture this. You save $100 in 2021. 1 year later, the Russia-Ukraine conflict happened, and due to the parties involved, various utilities and the price of various commodities increased. You normally only use $100 for buy lunch or pay taxi fare or whatever. Now in 2022, taxi fare or lunch is $200 and you cannot afford to do either. The $100 would have been more valuable in 2021 when you just earn it, but not in 2022 when prices are higher. The next factor is interest. If you have ever borrowed or lent money, you know what I mean. You borrow or lend money at 3% interest per month or per year, and you receive or pay back more than what was originally lent or borrowed. Now, interest is essentially a fee for borrowing money, paying for the absence of the lender's money and the missed opportunity the lender them have to endure. To the lender, money is still worth more in the now, so you have to compensate them for them time. So essentially, you have to pay them for all of the opportunities where they miss, as well as you borrowing them money. Yeah, rough. Finally, missed opportunities. Whether we choose not to spend money now or we lend it to others, we miss opportunities to invest, buy things at a lower price, or enjoy current events and enjoyment. Whether you lend your cousin $40,000 and then after you can't get for Gusting or some fest, or you could invest in the Jamaican stock exchange. That's why things such as interest serve as a payment for missed opportunity to offset the disadvantage of missing these opportunities. Now, in a nutshell, money is time sensitive, meaning the value changes with time, and most, if not all the time, money is more valuable now. Now, if you have learned anything, please like, subscribe, and comment what you think about the video, what other monetary concepts you don't really understand, or just your little 2 cents. But stay tuned for more content. We are the Yaadsman.